Okay, verifying a solution. So this is actually easier than it looks. I'll have you pause and copy, and then we'll talk. Okay, so all we're doing is checking that this y passes this test and this one. Okay, let's start with this test here. This test here, well, we want to see if, so maybe I'll take this equal sign, I'll write it here. Maybe a bit more space there, Jordan. So does t times y prime equal, well, this other stuff. Well, here's y. I'm going to put it in my bracket here. So does that equal, so I'm going to put a little question mark here, just to indicate that this is not yet determined. And I'm checking it. So I get y. So equals y minus t cos t minus t plus t squared sine t. Okay, took me a while, but all I did was copy out this equation, but with the y here replaced with that, and also the y here replaced with that. Now I'm just going to work it out. Do my derivative. It's going to require a product rule right here. Also put a minus, I use square brackets, cos t plus where was I? T negative sine t. Oh dear, I'm getting really deeply nested brackets. Minus 1. There we go, my derivative. And then over here I get not much of a difference, just dropping that bracket. Okay. Now this is a giant mess over here, so I'll just do it slowly and carefully. What do I get? I get minus cos t. Oh dear, minus. So minus plus t sine t minus 1. So does that equal all this stuff? We'll just put ditto marks to indicate that there's no change. Multiply the t through. So do these two things equal each other? I certainly hope so. Good. So these work, yes. I don't know, give myself a little check mark, why not? Okay, so what I've shown is that this y passes this test. So all that remains to do is to check that this y passes this test. What is this test saying? Well, we translate this. In English, when t is equal to pi, y is equal to 0. Is that true? well, does this y value up here, this y function, does it do that? Does it follow this? Well, yes, it does. So I'll plug in t is equal to pi minus pi cos pi minus pi. Okay, just to emphasize what I'm doing, taking this plugging in t is equal to pi, and just verifying that I am indeed going to get y equals 0. Cos of pi is -1, so I get negative pi, -1 minus pi, so that's plus pi minus pi. That is 0. Voila.